Hello everyone, I am Gnaneshwar from Vishnu Institute of Technology, CSE department. I have created a Telegram chatbot on the domain called Movie Information, and I used BotFather to create the Telegram chatbot. The idea is to get the data from the database according to the user message. To retrieve data from the database, we use APIs. API is nothing but application programming interface. It is like a interface between server and the user. I have taken the movie API link from the website called OMDB. This is the website, and I got the API link and API key to my Gmail. This is the API key and this is the API link. API link has two attributes called T and API key, where API key is used to access the API link and T represents the title name. For example, let us take title name RRR. We will get the data in this manner. I install JSON Viewer Chrome extension to get the output in readable and clear format. I have created a chatbot using BotFather. My chatbot name is MovieInfoBot and my chatbot ID is movie@178bot. This is my chatbot token ID. By using this token ID, I can access my chatbot. This is my chatbot link. By clicking on this, I will get into my chatbot. This is the MovieInfoBot which I was created. If message.text is equal to /start, then the chatbot is started and it will send welcome messages initially by using bot.sendMessage function. If user enters a movie name, then else part will be executed. This is the else part, and the line console.log json.parseBody is used to print the body in the console. Body object contains the entire movie info. If the entered movie name is existed or valid, then this response value will be equal to true. Therefore, this if block will be executed, and I am taking an empty string called output, and I am iterating the object obj by using for loop, and I am concatenating all the key value pairs present in the obj object to the output, and I will send this output as reply to the user by using bot.sendMessage function. And this bot.sendMessage function takes two arguments. First one is message.chartID, and the second one is the message which we want to give reply to the user. Methods used in this code are bot.on method and bot.sendMessage method. Bot.on method takes two arguments. One is message and another one is function which is used to take the user message. This is the bot.on method. Bot.on method is used to take the user text. All the details of the user message will be stored in the object called message MSG, which contains the message ID, from details and chart details, etc. Console.log message prints the above user message info in the console. By using request function, we will send request to the database through API link. This is the request function. Message.text contains the movie name entered by the user. We include this message.text in the API link. Now we will see the functionality of my chatbot. My chatbot name is MovieInfoBot. Now I will enter some movie names and we will see how my chatbot is responding to the user entered movie names. Now I am entering movie name called RRR. You can see my chatbot is giving entered details of the RRR movie. And I will enter another movie called Avengers. You can see that it is also giving the entire details of the movie name called Avengers. And we will see by entering a invalid movie name, some movie name called something so that. Now you can see that if the user enters invalid movie name, it will be printed as please enter a valid movie name. If I again enter any invalid movie name, it is showing please enter a valid movie name. If I enter any next, if I enter any valid movie name like